sokhumbula ukuthi uzofinyelela lapho noma yakhe ukuthi Malema bakhona ukuveza ukuthi kungani kumele ukuthi ezinkalo zokusebenza wena ngaphambi kokuba engene ngaphakathi lapha eNingizimu. Mhlawumbe usibuzwa wesibili ukuthi ukuhluka kancane kakhulukazi kuwena personal ukuthi mhlawumbe sothola nini usiphezelo obalala ukuthi isithangane kanje ukuthi usiphezelo ukuthi amabhinqa noma umengameli uMathibula uswabizile ukuthi sesileli iqembu sesivumelene kanje. Izibili uveza ukuthi mhlawumbe Mathibula umasiba yini clarity mhlawumbe kuleso simo leso bese futhi kuphuma lokugcina uyabhala. Sizobona nini lapho khona mhlawumbe ubiza noma uhlangana namabhinqa siyawazi indawo ikakhulukazi esingathazenze kona uveza ukuthi nama-hostel ikakhulukazi lapho izindawo futhi akhona ngoba abantu bahlala emalokishini kodwa bangamabhinqa futhi bayasigada ngalokho. So kubona engage awuyibona ngoba siyazi ukuthi uqokelwane ekuthenini ukuthola lokho.
Any further questions? Okay.
Igama ngokuphilana ngamzila ngemoja lapho. Mhlambe nje nomuzo mongameli mhlambe ithi le plan yakho umuzo womphakathini uthakazame lo mfana uthakele ekhezweni. Mhlambe ithi le plan yomvimbi.
Umbuzo okuthutha le. Umbuzo wethu le.
Any other question? Is that the only question, sir?
Yeah, baby.
Okay, any other questions? Macingwane. Ayikho enye question ekhona? Okay, nanka ama question Macingwane. Akudali. Okay. Qhubeka.
One question number one. KwaZulu Natal kube kuya ngabe yadlule yibona abayizo ngoba we got all resources, we got everything. KwaZulu Natal. Futhi okwesibili we are the most welcoming people. Even when you are not from KwaZulu Natal, or when you appear in overseas, which shows the privilege we have in the history that we have as a cultural tribe and the kingdom, as well as our beautiful province with so much history. So therefore, everyone is welcomed. Everyone is welcomed, prohibited who you are, but him specifically. Ukuthi lokho kuzokwenzeka kanjani kodwa ukho umthetho ozophula kodwa ngithi ungena free ngoba yabona nje uthebe kanjani.
Okay, ayikho enye question akho awuthi ugcini
ana ke mana lokhu kumsimemezelo ngeke mina njengoba wena uthe wena mina ngibiza mina intatheli sengizosho ukuthi amabhinqa ayala asikwazi ukukhuza i-dictatorship. Then myself I live as a dictator. Angikwazi ukuthi kufanele mina abantu bami sihlangane nabo njengamanje ama-social media platform iwona powerful than anything. Intatheli isefiwe la isefiwe ayiphelele lembopho kayiphelele sisefiwe ngencane na ithengiwe futhi okusibili ukuthengwa kwenu nani nine-agenda seniphila impilo yethu. The only free space that we have is social media. That's why even some of the things that we are trying to resolve now, they happen in social media. That shows how social media powerful it is. I may not even have to ask you, why fana nomnene? Kodwa abanye ngigijima laphana tholana seniphaka ama-starter ngaqale ngisho press conference. Ngoba vele ngisuthi ngicommente chief wait. Ngithi mina lapho sizoya kubantu somemezela ilanga siye kubantu sikhulume nabo babeka imbono yabo bese sikhetha ikomiti bese sihambela ama-hostela wonke jikelele bese sikhambela izinhlanga ezahlukahlukene amabhinqa wona KwaZulu Natal. Of course we are the majority but lokho akusho ukuthi ithina kuphela Eastern Cape oLimpopo kopholokwana yonke indawo uyathanda upresident wamabhinqa ashwembu liyabulela.
Thank you, colleagues. Angazi babantu abandaba awakho kuphetha before
siyabonga kubo bonke abantu abathatha ithuba siyabonga kubo bonke abantu abathatha ithuba ukuthi babe khona sizokweseka insizwa yakithi nonke nawe xaphashe emaphathini futhi usiqondisela kahle uhlelo uMntebhosha la ningaze njalo nicabanga ukuthi asizokubethana noMntebhosha sizazobethana Ayisho nje ngikho ukhulu ukuze sizakubhethana singaze mcabanga ukuthi akuzukwenza so ke ngimaqhubani futhi siyabona ngilapha ke mina impilo zakithi ngoba umuntu wakini mayiphatheke kabi kuye kube namagama amaba amanye awakhiphayo agcine emonela izinto njengakho lokho kwenzakala kodwa kusiphatha kabi ke thina sizinsizwa zakwaZulu ukuthi umfowethu eganiwe nabafazi eneyingane kube khona izinto ezimlahlekelayo ngenxa yomuntu kulungile mayelenzile iphutha alenze iphutha lidle yena lilimaza yena kungekho omunye umuntu ongenayo kusiphatha kabi thina njengami nje mina kumphatha kabi ngoba mina ngikhulele emakhaya umfowethu ukhulele emakhaya ukukhuluma ke igama mase ukhulumela livuyele emuva kodwa ke phela umuntu uyakhiwe akekho umuntu okhula njengesidala uma ngabe kubonakala ukuthi umfowethu benza iphutha bekufanele akhiwe atshelwe umuntu kwaZulu wona kathathu kwaZulu nje ngesizulu umuntu wona kathathu sikubone lokho kokuqala atshelwe one kulokho kwesibili bese etshelwa kulokho kwesibili ukuthi uma bewona kwesithathu uzojeziswa ebese thi mayina ona kulokho kwesithathu bese kuthiwa wenza ngamabomu okusho ukuthi njoba wona wena uvuke ekuseni nje uthandaza uNkulunkulu uthi uNkulunkulu ngicela ungisize ngihambe ngiyokona manje ke yini leyenziwayo ukuthi umuntu mayephazama kanye kungabe kusaba nesexwayiso enganibona njengoba behleli lapha eParliament banenqaba yezimali ezingekho emthethweni abayisebenzisayo siyibona ukuthi lento abayenzayo ikho emthethweni sibaxolele njengoba kuzukhetho bazophinde bevotelwe futhi so ke ngithi insizwe nzizonke nje ngaphansi kwegama likaMfowethu uMantungane engizokweseka yena chaza insizwe zakithi ake kuhlanganweni bafowethu kwehliswe umoya kuphele yonke lento yokubulalana kuphele yonke lento yokwenyanyana kwehliswe umoya kweke sekwane siyababona abantu besifazane bake besekanela into engekho besekana impela kuze kuxoshwe umuntu emsebenzini besekanela nje into engekho nathi sizinsizwa ke sesekana ake kube lula amacingwane mina ngeke ngixabana nomacingwane izwe liyazi kodwa umfowethu lenganginyanyisenzo ayiyena ngimthanda kudala kabi yena efika ukhosini esangena ebusuku ngangimthanda kabi namanje ngisamthanda kodwa ingakho futhi ngathi lokho akwenza kuyiphutha ngoba ngangingafuni umuntu onjengayenza iphutha akayena umuntu omncane indoda lo akayena small boy he is not a smallest boy mhlambe for the benefit of everybody ongasikhuluma isiZulu we as Zulu people when we say we are the Zulu people we are talking about ourselves we're not saying other people are not people we're not saying that mhlambe we need to clarify that because every time when we say we are Zulu people sing abantu yithi abantu we are talking about ourselves because we only know ourselves so if you think you know something about us come and talk to us and we'll tell you if you're telling the truth and if you're not telling the truth we'll advise you and educate you but it's not fair for a man to stand up on a podium and say this is the smallest boy I don't think even an ant is the smallest ant I don't even think in the smallest animals a smallest animal can agree to that because it's not fair you can't be a leader and say that bafowethu ngiyabona futhi ke thina ngimtshele nje siyashayana ke thina bafowethu siyashayana ngempela mina nje ke bafowethu ngiyashayana umbheda mzwani nje nawo ufuna ukumtshela nje am-ethi mina ngishayana ngempela nje mina bayazokutshela abantu hambe ufuna umlando wami ngiyashayana nje asikwazi thina sizinsizwa ukuzotshelwa yenye insizwa yakwenye indawo izobhozoma endaweni yakithi nkasulwa ilokho nje ukuthi usuke omunye umbhemi azobhozoma kwelakithi azoshinga kwelakithi sikhona siyibiza ngeyikwakha
akashingwe la
akahamba umuntu ayoshinga kwelakithi simbone ukuthi ngempela sithi-ke ufuna ukuphendula umbuzo walensizwa ukuthi insizwa ihlangana nini sihlangene nje futhi uyabona lokho esikwenzayo ukuhlangana indoda nendoda eSouth Africa lapho ekhona khona inabantu abakhuluma nayo masingamadoda simelele ukudoda nje makwenzeka amaphutha asiqoqana sikhalimane sitshelana ukuthi lokhu kuyiphutha njengoba ngenzile kumfowethu namhlanje ngihleli naye la akekho umuntu enginethemba njengomacingwane njengoba ngihleli lapha ngoba ngikwazile mina ukumtshela iphutha walibona iphutha wangethemba wangihlonipha wangilalela so ke lowo muntu uyethenjwa lowo muntu ngoba khomba ukuthi unodlela asikwazi ke ingane zakwethu ukuthi singavumela insizwa kwenye indawo izoshinga lapha igwazi iduli uyiyona shenge ngoba uyindoda masithi ke ingane zakwethu yithi abantu asisho ukuthi asizonensi zinsizwa ikhona eSouth Coast ko-Eastern Cape ko-Limpopo zikhona iy'nsizwa izwe lonke ko-Northern Cape Eastern Cape zikhona iy'nsizwa siyalihlonipha zonke iy'nsizwa zakithi kodwa mina ngisuke ngikhuluma kwami kwakithi akufanele umuntu akuphikise ngento yakubo insizwa yakithi lena njengoba bathi ikhuluma isuke ikhuluma kwakwabo akusho lokho ukuthi abanye abantu ababona abantu ngiyaphinda nami njengoba esexolisile ephinde exolisa namanje siyaphinda siyamxolisela futhi wayengaqondile okubi wayesho kuyena njengensizwa ngoba insizwa kufanele vele yazi insizwa kufanele izazi
and know such kind of people and such kind of how much and how far they can go. If he called himself and he put the flag of South Africa behind his office and think he will lead this country with this attitude and with this mentality, that will never happen in my presence. They must come and kill me. They are too sophisticated. They got all the money in the world. They must go and dig one of the plazas that he put money there. He pretend that he's not corrupt. He pointing fingers to other people. He's the most ethical person that I've ever seen. A young boy that insulting elders everywhere, insulting any leader. They think who is. The only people that I would say is in Duna, the Bongaku, Mokosayiti, Bongaku, Bongabakhona lapha nabantu bama-social media platforms and then until zonke different television platforms. I really appreciate your presence here. Yes. Angifundile nje yakithi.
I-announcement encane uzothatha i-1-on-1 umacingwane laphaya sizoqala ne-Reuters size ne-Newsroom size nge-Soweto TV abanye bengeza nabo eyesibili ukuthi bafethu uma sengiqedile laba specifically abantu bendaba sinamanzi ngale abafethu ngale lapha okugodwa khona umphangazana besaqelene khona ngale nangu maqam lapho uzonidirect ukuthi ngizoyithola phi into yokuthiba ukona macingwane
number 1
hamba lapha ama-1-1
ayikho insizwa le Mntebhosha ukhona umthathu umbetha nini
ngizobetha wephakele